Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to solve this question from Mathematics 2022. Okay, we just solved the first three questions as you can see from the screen. Okay, so the first one is evaluate 3 over 2 to the power negative 2, the one I wrote here. Okay, so 3 over 2 to the power negative 2. How are we going to evaluate this? This topic is coming from indices, so you first have to get rid of the negative. And how do we do that? We do that by dividing everything by 1. So we're going to divide by 1, then you say over, we have 3 over 2 to the power 2. So once you divide by once you divide by 1, the negative goes. Okay, so then you have to simplify this at the bottom here. So okay, this I will continue it from here. Okay, so we have 1 over, then 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 is giving us 9. Yeah, that is 9. So we have 9 over, then 2 to the power 2. Remember, these are in brackets, so it means this 2 is for all these two numbers here. So 2 to the power 2, which is giving us the 4. Now this is one number going into 1. When you divide this, you discover that this number will just flip, 4 will go up, and the 9 will come at the bottom. You can do this to do that. So you have 1 divided by 9 over 4. Okay, you raise this one as a fraction, so we have 1 over 1 here times, the division changes to times, and these numbers you have to flip, we have to swap. Okay, so we have 4 over 9. So 1 times 4 is giving us a 4 over 9 as the answer. Okay, then look at 2, factorize completely. We have 2ax plus 4ay minus 3bx minus 6by. So how do we factorize this? Okay, we can factorize that by grouping terms. You check the terms which has anything common. So these luckily have already been grouped. We have something common here. 2 can go into this number, can be divided. 2 can also be divided here. We also have a as a common letter. Same applies with these two. So what you do is we have 2ax plus 4ay minus 3bx, then minus 6by. So we have grouped these like this, and these also will be grouped simple. So what is common between these two here is 2a. 2a is common, so you write 2a as a common factor. So 2a is common, then divide 2a into 2ax, remain with x, because 2 and 2 give us 1, a and a will give us 1, so it means remain with x only. So we have x, then we have 2a into 4ay. So 2 into 4 is giving us, we still have a positive, giving us 2. A into a is 1, remaining with y at the end. We close this. We have a minus here. A common factor here is 3b. 3b is common. Negative 3b into negative 3bx. So 3 into 3, 1. Now b into b, 1. We remain with x. So we have x here. Then negative into negative give us a positive. And then 3 into 6 will give us the 2. That's a 2. And we have the y remaining. B will be cancelled and remain with the y. So if you check, inside the brackets are the same. That's what you need actually. So what we do is we get this number outside here, which is 2a. So the 2a, you write it together with this number outside here, which is negative 3b. Put them in brackets. Get one of these. They are the same, so just need one. So x plus 2y. So this is how we can factorize that. Okay, we got the next question, question 3. Simplify. We have 3 open bracket, then 4x minus 5 plus 2. We need to simplify that. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Okay, so if we're to use the bead mass, so we have brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. That's a S, subtraction. So see that we have to solve what is inside the brackets. Unfortunately, you cannot add 4x in, you cannot subtract 4x minus 5 because these are not like 10. So we go to multiplication. The 3 is multiplying with all these numbers which are inside the bracket. So I'll copy the question down here first. So we have 3 open bracket 4x minus 5 then plus 2. Okay, so multiply 3 times all the numbers inside the bracket, and this will be 3 times 4x, giving us 12x. So that is 12x, and 3 times negative 5, which is giving us negative 15, then plus 2. Okay, so we don't have any number common with 12x, so it will come just the way it is, 12x, and then we have negative 5 plus 2, giving us negative 13. Okay, so thank you so much for watching these videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video. Bye bye.